up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is you guys make the Papa Smurf cocktail. You guys need lemon juice, rum, vodka, blue carousel, Sprite, ice, glass and a lemon wheel for decoration. Right, let's get started. Let's grab your glass, fill it with ice. Like so. Then you grab your lemon juice, 1 ounce, 1 shot. Grab your rum, 2 shots. And your vodka, 1 shot. And your blue carousel, half a shot. And you fill it up with your Sprite. Grab your lemon wheel decoration on the side and your little, there you go, Papa Smurf cocktail. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.